AI Math GPT has just been released, and in this video, I'm going to give you 7 crucial things you need to know about this groundbreaking AI software. If you're looking to enhance your math problem-solving skills or automate complex calculations, this is the AI tool that could change the game for you. Stick around till the end, because I'll reveal a secret feature that might just blow your mind. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try AI Math GPT completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. So, let's get started. AI Math GPT is designed to make math simpler for everyone, from students to professionals. Whether you're dealing with algebra, calculus, or even complex differential equations, this software can help. One of the most notable features of AI Math GPT is its ability to understand and process a wide range of mathematical problems, making it more versatile than many other math tools on the market. The software uses advanced algorithms to not just give you answers, but also explain the step-by-step process. If you've ever struggled with understanding how a math solution is derived, AI Math GPT can break down the process in a way that's easy to follow. This makes it an excellent tool for learning, not just solving. Another feature that stands out is its speed and accuracy. AI Math GPT doesn't just give you a fast answer, but also ensures that the answer is mathematically sound. It's optimized for high performance, so whether you're working on basic equations or advanced proofs, you won't be waiting long for results. But the best part? It's available for completely free at the link in the description below, so you can see for yourself how it compares to other AI math tools out there. Plus, this software is cloud-based, which means you can access it from anywhere without needing to install any heavy programs. One thing that sets AI Math GPT apart is its user interface. Unlike many other complex math tools, this one is incredibly user-friendly. The design is intuitive, which means you don't have to spend hours trying to figure out how to input your problem or understand the results. AI Math GPT also offers real-time solutions for live math queries. This can be particularly useful for professionals who need quick answers on the fly or students who want to confirm their solutions as they study. No more waiting for manual calculations or relying on outdated tools. It's also worth noting that AI Math GPT is continuously updated with new features. The developers are always working on making the tool smarter and more efficient. So, if you're someone who enjoys seeing the latest and greatest tech in action, AI Math GPT will keep you engaged with its improvements over time. Finally, after testing thousands of AI tools, I can confidently say that AI Math GPT ranks among the top when it comes to performance, ease of use, and accuracy. If you're serious about getting into advanced math, whether for educational purposes or professional use, this tool is a must-try. Don't forget, if you want to explore AI Math GPT for free, just click the first link in the description below. And after testing countless AI softwares, I've included a list of my top recommendations in the description for you to try. Whether you're into math, content creation, or digital marketing, I've got you covered. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.